Hi, my name is Sonia and I am here again, ready to cover questions for critical thinking, chapter 2. The first question asks about brain research and the use of animals for these studies. Sometimes it is necessary to euthanize animals to study brain tissues. Many people object this practice, and others say that it's justified because it advances knowledge about the brain. Letter A questions the use of animals in brain research projects is ethical and justifiable because of the possible benefits to humankind. People supporting this position argue that the benefits of animal research are enormous in order to make medical progress. I am not against animal experimentation with research purposes, but I think that this type of research using animals should have controls and a regulatory system in place. The statement in letter B, the use of animals in brain research projects, it's not ethical or justifiable on the grounds of possible benefits to humankind. Animal research is really a very unethical dilemma. I am not against animal experimentation with research purposes. However, I truly think that scientists should go through a very careful screening process and choose animals that are terminally ill or animals that have no chance to survive. Question number 2. How would your life change if you had a massive stroke affecting your left hemisphere? How would it change if the stroke damaged your right hemisphere? Which stroke would be more tragic for you and why? A stroke in my left hemisphere would affect my language, numerical, and reasoning skills, including my sense of well-being and the coordination of complex movements on the right side of my body. I think this type of stroke would be more tragic because it'll really leave me impaired for communicating effectively with people. It'll affect my movement and I will not be able to move or go places. So I think that this would be more tragic for me. The right hemisphere is involved in language processing activities. A stroke in my right side, in my right hemisphere, would make it difficult for me to understand metaphors, orienting myself spatially, or made me unaware of objects in my left visual field. My artistic processing and emotional thinking would also be impaired. However, I think that the two hemispheres need to be working in conjunction. They are all the time communicating between themselves. However, each hemisphere has its function, but at the same time they work together. And that would cover the two questions for critical thinking in chapter 2. Thank you.